In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A14 and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. First of all, go into settings and scroll to click on this section called security and privacy. Now click on lock screen and select one of those lock methods to pick a perfect one for you: PIN, password or pattern. Now it's time to create it. If you made a mistake, don't worry, just hit retry at the bottom left corner and redo it. Then hit continue at the bottom right one and repeat it to confirm it. When you're done, select confirm. Now you can manage lock screen notifications however you want to by selecting the best options for you and even turn them off or switch them on thanks to this switcher at the top. When you're ready, hit done. So when I go back, switch off my screen, turn it back on and swipe up, I can set pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!